Welcome friends. Today we are going to start a new course in shortcut tricks in maths. Our first part is to find square root of any number. By any number, I simply means to find square root of a perfect square because in competitive exams, questions based on perfect square are usually asked and they want us to use tricks instead of complete method. So let us move to the topic. First, it is important to know the square of these numbers. 5 square is equals to 25, 15 square is equals to 225, 25 square is equals to 625, and 35 square is equals to 1225, and so on. So how to calculate square of numbers ending with 5? I will tell you. It is a quite simple method. So let's see how to calculate. First, see an example to calculate a square of 15, that is 15 square. So 15 square is equals to 225. So we know that 5 square is equals to 25. So write 25 at units and hundreds place as shown below. Now calculating square is very easy. See, the given number has 1 ahead of 5. So simply multiply 1 with the next number, that is 2, and place it ahead of 25. So our result is 225. I will repeat it once again. You can see that the number here is 25. Place this number in units and hundred place, and then multiply this one with its next number, which is 2. So 2 into 1 is 2. So place that 2 ahead of this 25. Similarly, let us calculate for 25. See, 5 square. This 5 square is equals to 25. Now multiply 2 with the next number, that is 3. So the result is this 6. 2 into 3, 6. This 2 into 3. This 2 into 3, which is equals to 6. So our result is 625. In this way, we can calculate square of any number having 5 at units place. Now to calculate square root of any number, we must know this digit at units place while calculating square of this number mentioned below. We know that in units place, while calculating the square of any number ending with 1, we have 1 square is equals to 1, 2 square is equals to 4. So any number which follows 2 at units place will be having 4 at units place if we calculate the square of that number. Similarly, 3 square is equals to 9, and so on. So we can see that if any number having 1 at its unit place, on calculating its square, it will be having 1 at its units place. Similarly, for 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 6, 5 square 5, 6 square 6, 7 square 9, 7 7 are 49, 8 square 4, and 9 square 1. Now let us calculate square root of any number. First thing is, remember that for competitive exams, no one is going to ask you square root of a number which is not a perfect square of any number. So the questions asked will have answer as a whole number, as they want you to use tricks to solve the question in minimum time. Now let us see one example. Square root of 2304. So now consider the last two digits, that is 0 and 4. 4 at units place comes when we find the square of any number ending with 2 or 8. As we have seen earlier, that any number having 2 or 8 at its unit place will be having 4 at its units place when we calculate the square of that number. So we know that number at units place is 2 or 8. Now see the number 2304. We know how to calculate square of numbers ending with 5. So 5 square is equals to 25, 15 square is equals to 225, 25 square is equals to 625, 35 square is equals to 1225, 45 square is equals to 2025, 55 square is equals to 3025. Now we can see that this 2304 lies between the square of 45 and 55. So our result will be in between 45 and 55. So it implies that our answer must be 48. So this is the final answer. I hope you have understood this concept. Now let us take one more example. We will find the square root of 4096. Again consider the last two digits, 96. 6 is at units place. Comes when we find the square of any number ending with 4 or 6, as we have seen earlier also. So we know that the numbers at units place is 4 or 6. Now see the number 4096. We know how to calculate square of numbers ending with 5. So again 5 square is 25, 15 square is 225, 25 square is 625, 35 square is 1225, and so on. After calculating this, we can see that our number lies between 55 and 65. So our answer must be 64 and not the 66. So this is the final answer. I hope you all liked the video. So do subscribe to our channel and post your comments if you like the video. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and visit our site card2galaxy.com for free notes and PDFs.